Hi guys, my name is Judy Ochollah, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Welcome to Sheria. Sheria is a platform that aims to educate the ordinary mwananchi about the law so that we can equip and empower you. So today I'm going to take you through the process of purchasing land in Kenya, whether you're buying or selling. Remember, when you're buying or selling land in Kenya, it is a sort of contract. There are things you need to know. So we'll divide it into 4 stages. We'll start with the pre-contract stage, where we'll talk about before you sign anything. Then the contract stage, where you're signing the sale agreement. Then we complete the contract, which should eventually lead to registration. So if you're buying or you're selling land, make sure it goes through those 4 stages. Stage 1, we talked about the pre-contractual stage, meaning before you sign anything. What do you want to do? As a buyer, make sure you do a search. Go to the relevant land registry where the land is located, do a thorough search. You want to get a certificate of official search after doing this. Your advocate can help you get the certificate of official search. Then after that, go to the property physically. Ask the neighbors, hey, this property is being sold. Is there a problem with it? Maybe it's undergoing a dispute and you don't know, which would not be discovered if you're doing a search at the registry. So do a physical search, do any other type of search at the company registry. If a company is selling you this property, do at the company registry to make sure this company has the power and the authority to sell this property. The next thing now, you go with the help of an advocate and have the sale agreement drafted and approved. The sale agreement mainly will provide for your rights and for your duties until you finish the contract. Please note that the sale agreement is not giving you rights over the property as such. You are not the owner yet. It just provides for what we need to do before we complete the contract. So what does the buyer need to do? What is the purchase price? The deposit you're supposed to pay? How should the owner of the property, before they sell this property to you, take care of this property? Are there any cracks on the door that you're buying to make sure that you actually sell the property? And remember, at this stage also, depending on the nature of the transaction, are you buying land that is vacant that you want to build? Are you buying something we call off-plan, meaning they're yet to complete it? So it's an apartment, you have spotted it and you want to buy it. Are you buying land that is already a house that has already been built? All this will be captured in the sale agreement. Again, sale agreement, we are providing for the rights and the responsibilities of the parties, both the buyer and the seller. When you have an advocate, they explain to you, they negotiate to you. Please remember, it is not a must for you to sign the sale agreement as it is. You can negotiate it. Maybe you want to pay it in installments. You want to pay the purchase price in installments. Maybe you want to enter the property before you actually fully purchase the property. You can negotiate all this and have it in a sale agreement. So that's the importance of having an advocate. After we are clear with what each party is supposed to do, we now move to the contract completion stage. So the contract completion stage, like the name indicates, we are completing. How do we complete? The owner of the property anakuja na the title deed. They also come up with all the relevant documents that the law requires for them to bring. So is there any consent they need to get from the relevant authorities? If they're married, they need to come with a spousal consent. And you, on the part of the buyer, you're supposed to come with a balance of the purchase price. And there are instances where the buyer, you don't have the full money, so you're going to the bank. Then the bank should give you a document known as a professional undertaking. So you'll be coming with this professional undertaking so that we exchange. Please note that we have not finished at the contract completion stage. There's still one more thing you need to do. As the buyer, you have the title documents, you have given them the money or the professional undertaking, you now pay stamp duty. Please remember, failure to pay stamp duty is a criminal offense. So you want to pay the correct amount of stamp duty. After that, make sure you register your documents. With the help of an advocate, you lodge all the relevant documents at the relevant land registry for registration. Once it is registered, usipumue bado. Make sure your advocate conducts a post-registration search so that we are 100% sure now the title is in your name. After that, now you can enjoy your property. So simply put, we have gone through the 4 stages an ordinary person ought to go through when they're buying or they're selling property. That is all for today. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.